Hello, and welcome back to the DaveTech YouTube channel. In today's tutorial, I'll show you how to turn on or turn off captions on Google TV. Before we continue, a quick reminder. If you're using a smart TV, Fire Stick, or Android TV device, I highly recommend using a VPN. A VPN helps protect your privacy, secure your connection, and keep your personal data safe while browsing or streaming. I personally recommend NordVPN. It's fast, reliable, and works smoothly with TV devices. I've put a special link in the description. If you want to check it out, do so right now. Let's get back into the video. Without further ado, let's head into the video. So I'm going to go up to the top bar and navigate to quick settings, and then we'll go to all settings. So on your Google TV, just scroll down and you're going to find the option that says accessibilities. So click on accessibilities to get in, and you find all the different tools. You just go towards the bottom and you'll find the option that says captions. Click on captions to open it up, and you can choose now to display. So if you just click on this display toggle, it will turn the display toggle on. So the captions look like that. You can now customize the captions. So choosing the first is the default language. This will pick the language in the system. So your captions will appear in the language that the system settings is set to. In my case, my language is English language. So the English language captions will look like what you see on the screen. It's also possible to click on this and choose a manual language. So you manually choose a language that you want the captions to display in. Meaning your system can be in English, but your caption will display in the Netherlands. So you can do that right here. I'll retain my default settings. Also, the text size can be changed from normal to small or large or very large, depending on what you want and the size of your display. The caption style currently is set to black and white. For your preferences, you can change this to white and black or any other custom setting below. You have yellow and black, yellow and blue, or even custom. You could choose the exact colors for the background and the text. So that's basically it. If you want the captions to be off, if you're currently seeing captions and you want to turn them off, just click on display and the captions go away. If you found that insightful, hit that like button and I'll see you